Welcome to the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Medicine. I'm Alice Kay from the Policy and Communications Group. With me is Professor Tim Higenbottam, our current Vice President, who becomes our President and the Chair of our Board of Trustees on the 1st of November. We're going to speak to Tim a little bit and hear about his plans for his upcoming presidency. So Tim, could you tell us why you wanted to become President of the FPM?
Well, it's a long story, but I'll be very brief. The main reason is that I've been doing medicine development since 1983, both in the NHS, academically, and then in the industry. And it's taken me this long to learn enough about it to feel confident that I could at least attempt the job of being President of the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Medicine.
What are the priorities for your presidency?
Well, one of the areas that I really want to look at is the governance of a charity. And this is partly because the last couple of years have been a torrid time for charities, and there's a great deal of focus now on good governance, and this comes through the UK Corporate Code for companies. What is going to be, I think, important is to engage with our board members to get them to lead us and to become accountable, and taking advantage of some extraordinarily good new members that are joining us with a whole range of new skills, very diverse backgrounds, working in different sectors of the industry. This, I think, will make a great deal of difference to how we perform in terms of our patients and our members.
So what do you think your KPIs will be in 3 years' time?
At our strategy meeting that we held in October, we hope to have 3 main targets. We call it the 3 R's. 1 is revenue. 2 is reputation, and 3 is realising benefit for patients. The revenue side is very important for us because we're small and we can only expand if we have income coming in. The reputational side is very important because we need to be known for what we do, and that should be spread around the world, not just simply in the UK. And then finally, the realisation of benefit is so important because that talks to our members' professionality and how they perform their jobs and how we can support them in doing so.
Who or what inspires you and why?
The people who have inspired me, there have been a number. One of them is Margaret Turner Warwick, who was my mentor for some time, from the time I was a house doctor, right the way until I became a professor. She provided advice when I was doing transplant medicine, advice when I was doing pulmonary hypertension, advice when I was working in industry as well. A very, very sound judgment and providing a steer to keep professional. And that was a very important influence.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, Tim, and best of luck with your presidency. Please do let us know if you have any thoughts or comments on the FPM's plans over the next 3 years. We'd really love to hear from you.